Welcome back to another episode. Here I am, camp for the night, I think. We'll test it out and see. But yeah, just got to work out how I'm going to set up camp. But come have a look at this. Got this old bridge here, which you can only walk across now. I don't know if you saw it. This old bridge, across now. But here, there's a little flowing creek. How cool's that, eh? Just walk down here. And there it is. Magic. Now, as usual, I've attracted a lot of little bugs. And now my car stinks from the little mud pile I went through coming in here. But what a spot, eh? Beautiful. Just got to figure out now where I want to park. There we go. This is going to be home. I'll turn it around. I'll face the river. Set up a fire pit over there somewhere. How good, eh? Home among the peppy trees and gum trees. But for now, I'm going to set up. Oh, this car stinks. Alright. There we go. Oh, doing it tough here. Well, the mozzies are around. I've had a couple try and bite me, but I've got rid of them. But there's not heaps. But that might get worse a bit later. It's nice just sitting here. You got a little trinkle of the water and the birds and the flies. But, oh, there's a marchie. Haven't seen one of them in a while. You're in the bush, you got to expect it. Oh, this is so peaceful. Beautiful afternoon. That's it. You're going to need fly spray, or mozzie spray, or whatever you want to call it. Got some Bushman, so hopefully that's enough. They haven't attacked my head, just my arms and legs. But we'll spray. Perfect. Well, might as well have a drink. Not a big drinker, but I deserve one, wouldn't you say? Cheers for joining us. Have a nice little Jimmy. Sit back. Relax. I should get the firewood out, shouldn't I? Oh yeah. Let's get the wood. As usual, I stopped and cut some on the way. Instead of taking from here. I don't see the point. There's heaps out there. Instead of taking it from the area it's in, take it from elsewhere. That way, it leaves some for here for people who forget. Which is probably everyone. I don't know what this wood is, but I cut it. It's not Jarrah, but it'll burn. It's dead. Probably have to dig a little fire pit there. You see coals there from someone else, but now the bit that's awkward. I always hurt myself. Oh. There we go. Not much, just enough. There we go, enough jiffies in there, a little hole. Throw some dead stuff in there. Bit of kindling to get going. And I'll light it after, not right now. It's a bit early. Oh, magic butt. Grab my drink, sit down. I think I might have to get jumper on and get that fire lit soon. It's starting to get a little bit fresh. Mozzies aren't bothering me, which is good. Bushman must be working. This is nice. Home is definitely where you park it. And right now, it's among the peppy trees. Cracking spot. Not a bad spot that guy's got. Wouldn't you say? Set up nicely. Oh, I think that's me. Just having a walk over the bridge, check the other side of the creek out. Good view up here. Oh, the trees up there, spectacular. Definitely starting to get cold. I think I might set up the light because it's going to get dark in, well, an hour. So, set the light up for later. Definitely be an orange light tonight. Definitely. No two way about it with these mozzies around. There's going to be a few of them hanging around. Alright, let's do that. I'm gonna use the Campos one. This ground's pretty soft, so I think I'll be right to put the peg in the ground. Set it up towards the front of the car so that it doesn't hurt the back kind of thing, where I've got the bed and everything set up so there's not many mozzies there if they do get attracted to it. But let's see if we can push this in. Hoping it's soft. Oh, the mozzies at the front. Oh yeah, that's soft. There. Perfect. Get the light. I think I might extend it fully. That way, they're right out of the way. That looks like the job. Now, as usual, I'm hoping this is long enough. Well, definitely reaches. I do have to set up an outside one of these PowerPoints. Oh, where's my phone? Because that's got the app. I can change that to a white light, a yellow light. As you can see, it's on. Hey, I don't need it on right now. So I just use the app. Where have I got it under? There we go. Campos light. Let's just, boom. There we go. That's orange, but we'll turn it off. Right? Oops. There. There. That's off. Alright. Time to light this sucker. There we go. Luckily there's not much wind. It's like blowing this way slightly. Starting to take off. Geez, I could probably just sit on the grass here. Be quite nice, actually. I think I got the wood in the wrong spot. Should have put the chair here. But smoke will swing. Always does. Wind can't make its mind up right now. This is good. Fire is nice and warm, I must say. It's not cold. Can nearly put shorts back on. But I won't. I'll keep the trackies on. The ice. Gosh, now it's following me. Stop following me. Definitely following me, isn't it? Look, now it's coming this way.